Friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we are talking about the best curbside deals for very cheap beauty products over at Walgreens. There are so many boosters this week for curbside pickups. So this is the one that we're investigating. I obviously couldn't put it in the P&G deal earlier in the week, but I know a lot of you really like to get your beauty stuff on the cheap over at Walgreens, and that's what we're investigating in this video. So we're talking about this specific booster, which is 10 back when you spend 25 on beauty items. If you look at the expiry date, it's not till the end of the month. So I think this one will live in our account for a couple of weeks. And where that arrow was pointing, as you can see, it is online only. So you really have to pay attention to that. You can't go and emulate these deals in store because this is online only for the 10 back in Walgreens cash. So we're doing this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And every item cosmetic that you're looking for must say 10 back when you spend 25, that red little writing at the top. So you're going to have to look for that if you want to sub out some items that say you're like, hey, I really want something else. It has to have that verbiage in it when you're looking it up in the app. If you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps out the channel and the video. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay guys, and yesterday I made this video, and I actually went in store yesterday and did a couple of deals, and guess what? Everything worked out perfectly. That $10 P&G register reward was rolling. If you wish to watch it, I used Walgreens cash for both of my transactions and everything worked out beautifully. You might want to check out the video. I just show various deals in store, trying to get it for the lowest out of pocket. I will link this video at the very end. Now let's get back to the subject at hand, which is beauty deals. Of course, you need your best friend loaded, which is this guy, and pick and choose wisely how you wish to use this. Typically, these are once per account. So for this one, we're going to go really heavy with the L'Oreal products. We're going to grab 2 of these mascaras, and they also have colored ones. They have a burgundy and a blue one, kind of something a little bit different. $21.98, and then $6.99 for a L'Oreal Paris makeup remover as well. Now, both of these products have very high value coupons to load. Here it is, guys, the 5 off of 1 and the 7 off 2. Make sure you have both of them clipped. I don't know, sometimes when you photograph them, they say they're unclipped, but they are clipped in my account. And then just to show you the chorus line, 7 off 2, the 5 off coming off. And then I was able to use the code WAG10. See where it says promotion and coupon? That's where you'll type it in for an extra $1.70 off. So looking at the math, the subtotal here is $28.97, $1.70 melting off. You're still at that $25 threshold, which is very important. Tax and $12 in digitals melting off right there. So you're going to pay $16.91 with your debit card, as the booster is spend 25 to get back 10. So you're getting back $10.28, not factoring in the tax. It basically makes each product $1.21 per product, which is a very good price point for L'Oreal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. You need your best friend loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 25. And just load it, even if you don't like any of these deals, because in the next couple of weeks, we'll have a deal to go with that. We're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Micellar Water. So it's a makeup remover for $17.98 on BOGO, 50% off. Now, we also have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have that guy loaded. And we have one of the L'Oreal Paris lipsticks for $9.99. Like that first basket, if you don't like what I was grabbing, you could always sub this in instead if you want to grab some nicer lipsticks as well. And then just to show you, we have a 5 off 1 off of the L'Oreal Paris cosmetics. So hopefully you have the same coupons as I. Just to show you the little promotion codes here, $5 coming off, the $6 coming off, using the code WAG10 for an extra $1.70 off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay the balance for this one. The subtotal is $27.97, $1.70 off, free curbside pickup, $1.58 in tax, and $11 melting off. You're going to pay $16.84 with your debit card again, and then you're getting back $10. Not factoring in the tax, this is a heck of a deal for 2 micellar waters and a L'Oreal lipstick. Okay, the third deal that we have is with some Neutrogena cosmetics. Again, you need your best friend loaded, the 10 back when you spend 25. The first item that we're going to grab is a Neutrogena face product for $15.99. Now, if this is not your thing and you're like, I don't like this powder, just look for something else that's attaching with the 10 back when you spend 25. We're going to load this very valuable $4 digital coupon, very generous one by Neutrogena. We're also going to grab a Neutrogena lip product. I grabbed this one for $12.49. Again, if you're not fancy with this, grab something else where that $3 digital is attaching. And we also have a $3 digital with this. It is more of a expensive line, but I know a lot of people really love Neutrogena. So just to show you our little chorus line, $3, $4, so that's $7 in digitals melting off, and WAG 10 taking an additional $2.15 off. Okay, so it's $28.48, $2.15 coming off. So you're still at your $25 threshold, tax and $7 melting off. You're going to pay $20.91 and get back $10.28 in Walgreens cash. And let's not forget, for the balance, to use a debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 4. You need your best friend loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 25. So make sure you have this friend loaded. For this deal, we are grabbing a lot of Maybelline products. The Age Rewind, or that's like a stick with the foundation at the bottom. They also have color correcting now too, if you wish to grab one of those. So we have one for $10.99, and we have various coupons attaching as well. And then 2 of these Maybelline Superstay Matte. It's like a lipstick you put on your lips and it lasts all day. This ink stuff, it's really fantastic. They're $9 this week, so for 2 of them, it's $18. And then we're going to load, we have both a $3 one and then this 5 off of 2. And forgive me, I can't track down that $3 one as of the recording of the video, but it's there in my account. I just can't visually see it. So we have a $5 off, a $3 off, that's $8 in manufacturers. And if you type in the code WAG10, an additional $2.10 melting off. So the overall total for this cart is $28.99. $2.10 coming off, so you're still at your $25 threshold. Free curbside pickup, tax, $8 melting off right there. So you're going to pay $20.50, and then you're getting back $10.28 in Walgreens cash. If you might have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, that would make it even better. If you might have a digital booster. But most of us don't. We have the $45 one this week, the 9 back when you spend 45. And let's not forget to pay with your debit card as you're using a spend booster with this transaction. But if you like Maybelline, it's not the worst deal. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks so much for watching. And if you want to watch the in-store deals that I posted yesterday, watch the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.